Hi guys, how to add tooltips in HTML and CSS is really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. Suppose we want to add tooltips for this word. For that we need to use the span tag. So write less than span, then the endpoint less than slash span, then inside the first tag we need to write title equal to double quotation, then the text we want to show as tooltips. Suppose it's like a energy drink. Save, reload. Now if we hover over the coffees, see we have our tooltips. Same for the image, just go inside the image tag. At the end just write title equal to double quotation, I am the image. Save, reload. Now if we hover over the image, see we have our tooltips. If you want to customize the text inside the span, just call for the span or give it a class name, then inside write border dash bottom clone, suppose 2 pixel dashed and the color. Save, reload. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.